What's up, YouTube? We got another one. YouTube, good morning. Hope you had a great weekend. I'm going to do a walk around and show what happened to me on Saturday, y'all. I go in and walk around the truck. So I decided to paint my gray. I peeled the black off, put gray on. I used this kind of plastic dip right here. I'm trying to get that color match to my truck. That's the color I want my truck right here, y'all. So I'm going to walk around here to show you what happened to me on Saturday. I know somebody might see why he got it like that right there. So I'm gonna buy me a can of I'm gonna buy me a bottle of glue gun and get all that and touch up my little stuff up. So I'm gonna walk you around, show what happened on Saturday. You know, when you a nice guy and stay to yourself like I do, that's a good thing to do. So this right here happened Saturday. Somebody hit this right here. How that happened was somebody was speeding, didn't see me at the stop sign and hit me at the stop sign, y'all. Hit my truck hard. Everything inside of my truck came to the front. I'm safe though. But it was crazy how he did it. Because this woman had the audacity to call him the N-word to his face. And she's a white girl. I didn't understand that. I don't give a fuck how much love it is, y'all. Don't let nobody call you out your name. They can't call you a name. Don't let them call you nothing at all. Just tell them shut the fuck up talking to you. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, it's all about respect. No matter how much shit you put your girl through, she still respect you enough to call you your name. And I ain't like that. So that's my only thing I had to say about that, y'all. So yeah, that happened to me. But like I said before, I'm good, I'm safe, I'm healthy. I'm gonna drop this small little video to let you know what's going on with me this weekend. That was it. You know what I mean? But other than that, I'm safe, y'all. I'm good. That ain't nothing. I'm with my homeboy to delete that. And we go from there, y'all. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Get ready to build. I'm gone, YouTube. Welcome back. This your boy, Tower Addict, with another video. All right, YouTube. What I did today, I made my holes for my parking sensors. So I'll go ahead and install sometime this week or next week. I did order my CCA wire. It'll be here by Friday. But we'll go ahead and do this video. I'll show you what I did today. And go on YouTube. Peace and love. Make sure y'all stay prayed up, y'all, and stay out the way. Slow feet don't make no money, right? So let's get it, y'all. All right, YouTube, welcome back for the conclusion of my video. I started throw this unboxing in at the end. So, as y'all know, I got that 1999 Dodge Durango now. So it needed an oil pump also, and a oil sending unit. So I went out, looked on a couple websites, found this little piece right here. Yeah, go ahead with this right. It came from this company right here. Garage Wiz. I'm sorry, Car Parts Wiz. I'm sorry. And that's what it came with. I tell you, they ain't packaged up nice. I like the bubble pack. I like that sound. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's not doing with my pop, y'all. There you go. I like them little pieces right there. And with the oil pump right here. This food came with a gasket too, but I don't see no gasket in here. So, yes I do. I see it in here. No, it don't. What the word? So, this right here is a new oil pump, y'all. With a Dodge Durango. Alright, y'all.